question asked in GATE 1998 in 2 marks. In how many marks? In 2 marks. So let's see what it is saying. Let L be the set of all binary strings whose last 2 symbols are the same. Whose last 2 symbols are the same. The number of states in the minimum state deterministic finite state automation accepting L is. Accepting L is. It is saying L contains all binary strings whose last 2 symbols are the same. Whose last 2 symbols are the same means does not depends on the starting symbol, but depends that the last 2 symbols are the same. Means a string contains what? 0 0 in last or 1 1 in last. Okay. So let's make a state finite automata. Okay. So if Q naught is a starting state, so language contains is what? L equal to, it can contain 0 0, it can contain 1 1, right? Because last 2 symbols are same, the minimum string can be 0 0. When last 2 symbols are 1 1, then the minimum string is what? 1 1. Okay, and so on. Okay, and so on. So if the starting state is Q naught, then what? 0 0 is accepting, right? So if we will give 0 on Q naught, then what you will get? You will get Q1 state, and if you will give 0 here, then you will get what? Q2 state, and this is a final state, because as we know that minimum string can be 0 0, means last 2 symbols can same. Okay, it may be 1 1. So if we will give 1 here, then we will reach where? Q2, right? Okay, and 1 1 is accepting. If we will give 1 here, then here you can take Q3, then you will get what? Q4, and this is a final state, because as we know that 1 1 is also accepting. 1 1 is also accepting, and as we know that we need to make a finite state automata, as we know that every state in finite automata will give you exactly one transition on each and every input symbol. On each and every input symbol. So what is the input symbol is here? Alphabet is here is what? 0, 1, because strings are, हम लोग string किससे बना रहे हैं? Because we are making a string from 0, 1, means a string is binary strings, means we have what? Binary strings. So in state Q naught we gives 0, yes, we also gives 1 move. Okay, but in state, जब state Q1 की बात करेंगे, when we will talk about Q1, then we gives a move Q1 on 0, but on 1 Q1 does not have any move. Q1 does not have any move. So what we will do? We will attach Q1 from here. Okay, Q1 from here, right? No problem. And you can give the any number of zeros and any number of you can give what? You can give 0 here. Okay, because last 2 symbol is always same. So its move you will give where? You can give here. Okay, you can give the one Q2 1 move is here. Okay, and Q3 we are giving a movement on 1, but on 0 we are not giving a movement, so we can give the 0 movement of Q3 here. Okay, no problem. Okay, on Q4 we need to start we need to put the last 2 symbols are the same, so we can put here, we can give Q4 movement here, and the movement of 0 of what? Movement of 0 here is 1. Here is what? Here is 1, because the movement of Q2 is a self loop. So the movement of Q4 on 1 is Q4, and when we will give what? When we will give 0, then the movement of Q4 is also completed. Now it's a what? It's a finite state automata. It's a what? Final state automata, and it is accepting the all binary strings whose last two symbols are the same. Whose last two symbols are the same. Whose last two symbols are the same. So how many states we need? How many states we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So how many states we need when we are going to make a finite automata which is accepting all binary strings whose last two symbols are the same? So you need to think, you need to first make a language from the given statement. उसके बाद हम लोग उसका क्या बना लेंगे? फाइनाइट स्टेट ऑटोमेटा बना लेंगे. तो हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स वी नीड? 5. ओके. सो यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट जो हमने वहां बनाया था यहाँ पे भी बना हुआ है. ठीक है. The last two symbols are same, 0 0. Okay. Last two symbols may be 1 1. So 1 1. Okay. The last and we need to make it finite state automata. So total number of states is what? 5. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.